Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you turn off quiet mode on Instagram. So in order to turn off quiet mode on Instagram, you need to follow these steps. First of all, open the Instagram application and make sure that it is completely up to date. Next, you will click on the profile initials from the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on the menu bar from the top of the page and go to settings and privacy. So when you go to the settings and privacy section, here you could click on account center and there you have these notifications section. If you can find it right on this page as well, but here as well you could find the notification. So there it is. When you go to the notifications section, you have the sleep mode. You could just go ahead and click on it. And when you toggle the button or turn it on, this is going to be turned on. And when you toggle the button, that's going to be turned off. And that is how you could turn off quiet mode, or also known as sleep mode, on your Instagram account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.